Kelly.
You know what? You don't have to say hi. He saved you thousands of dollars. What do you care if he says hi to you? Interest rates, unemployment numbers came out today. What are we thinking with interest rates?
Well, they took a little bit of a dip yesterday, so we have to see how the market's going to react today. I think it's still an opportunity right now after that rocket ship rise in interest rates after the elections.
Right.
They backed down just a tad. I don't know how long it's going to last for, but if you're considering refinancing or buying a home or locking in the rate, I think this is a small window of opportunity.
I have said oftentimes that many times you mortgage brokers have access to the same rates, right? You all kind of have basically the same rates.
Well, we actually have slightly better rates because the way the banking institutions work, when you trade securities, mortgage-backed securities, without getting too complicated,
right.
The evaluation of those securities is based on what quality you submit for those pools to purchase. And since we're very efficient at what we do, the banking institutions that purchase the loans for us are very eager to purchase us, gives us the power and ability to get better rates.
So the banks really like your customers.
They really like our customers, and they really like the way that we present the loans for purchase to them, and so they're eager to give us the best of the best.
But where you really shine is that you don't charge any fees.
If you have a loan amount over $150,000, there are absolutely no fees. I still get calls from people saying, "Oh, you roll it into the loan." I go, "No, there's no fees." How can that be? How can that be? How can that be? No fees. Nothing.
It's so hard to explain to people. They're like, "Well, what do you mean no fees?" No, what don't you understand? No fees. You don't charge someone to check their credit score. You don't charge anybody for a home warranty or a home appraisal.
Nothing. I have a customer we closed 2 weeks ago. He's still calling me every other day to try to figure out where the fees have been, and they're not there. And I keep going over it with him, and he says, "I see it, but I don't understand it."
If someone's in the middle of closing on a house, you have them take the closing statement and bring it to you, right?
Whenever you apply for a mortgage, you get this document called a loan estimate. The loan estimate details all the costs related to the transaction. I recommend highly that you take a copy of that. It's given to you for the purpose of shopping and seeing what's out there and the best thing. You can forward it to us. You can call me on my cell phone. You can email it to me, whatever is easiest. And I'll tell you if you're getting a good, better, or we can do even better for you.
How's your co-host at Mortgages and More?
She's wonderful. She's great.
You should marry that woman.
It's a good idea, except that, John keeps thinking that it's my daughter, so I don't know.
What's the phone number, Stuart Rosenblum, to find out about the bagel loan at Stuart's American Mortgage?
My personal cell phone number is 314-324-4440.
That's not your personal cell phone.
That's my personal and only cell phone I carry.
And how many fees do you charge?
0. Big bagel.
How many people call you and at the closing say, "Oh my goodness, I should have called you 6 months ago"?
Over and over again. Over and over and over, and they keep saying, "Why didn't I do this earlier?"
I wonder who would say something like that.
I don't know.
I wonder who would say something like that.
Some people it takes a little longer than that.
I know. No fees. Stuart's American Mortgage. Stuart'sAMC.com. If you're skeptical, good. Call him. Put him through the ringer. He'll show you how it all works. Stuart, have a good week.
Thanks for having me.
831, Big 550, KTRS. Want some food delivered right to your